While in PlanViewer mode, you will have the ability to do a bit more than simply view the plans. You will have a variety of annotation tools available to you to allow you to add multiple markups and callouts to your images. You can use these tools to help you communicate with other people within or outside of your organization. This can be useful when reviewing someone else's takeoff, adding markups in preparation to send an RFI, or adding notes before you send the documents to the foreman in the field. The first of the annotation tools at the top of the screen is the Dimension tool. When you select this, you can then simply click and drag a line to get a quick measurement. Be sure that you have set the scale correctly beforehand using the drop-down at the top of the screen. Beyond just drawing lines, we can add text, markups, and callouts to the image to draw attention to specific items on the sheet. If you click on the button that looks like the letter A, it will allow you to add a text box to the screen. Simply click on the screen and start typing in the box that displays. Once you are finished typing your text, you can click off the text box, and then a text format editor displays at the top of the screen, which allows you to change your font size and color. You also have the ability to highlight a section of the image by using the highlighter tool. Just click on the highlighter button and click and drag. Also notice that there is a small arrow to the right of the highlighter tool button. This allows you to easily change the color of the highlight. Another text-based tool that you can use is the callout tool. When you select this item, click and drag on the screen to affect how the arrow and text box are positioned. This allows you to point to something on the screen and add an associated text note. The down arrow to the right of the button allows you to change color and line width. The next few tools in the toolbar allow you to draw simple shapes on the plan. Using these tools, you can draw arrows, lines, boxes, circles, polygons, clouds, or even freehand shapes. These can be used in a variety of ways to supplement the previously discussed annotation tools to make sure you can communicate as effectively as possible. In addition to our standard annotation tools, the named view and hotlink tools are also included in the Annotations toolbar. These allow for quicker navigation between your images. Let's start by setting up a named view. These are commonly assigned to relevant details, sections, or schedules. Our floor plan here has a keynote for detail A2 on sheet A501. So let's create a named view for that detail. First, let's navigate to sheet A501 and find detail A2. Once you find the relevant detail, press the Named View button. Then, draw a box around the section of the screen you want to be included in the view by clicking and dragging. After you complete the box, type in a name for the view in the top left and then press Enter on your keyboard. Then, navigate back to where you want to create a link to the view. Now back to the floor plan in our example, we want to press the Hotlink button. Place it in the vicinity of the keynote on the plan. Once you click, a pop-up window displays, asking you to select the named view you want to link to. We will select the view we just created for detail A2 on sheet A501 and press OK. After pressing OK, you can press the spacebar on your keyboard to return to Select mode. In Select mode, you can click and drag the Hotlink button to reposition it if needed. Once it is properly positioned, click elsewhere on the image to deselect the hotlink. Then click it again. It now opens a second window, which takes you directly to the named view you created. This is potentially a huge time saver when you have to review many different sections, details, and schedules within a plan set. The ability to add annotations improves your ability to communicate within and outside of your organization. To learn more about how to get started or other aspects of working with on-screen takeoff or PlanViewer, explore our full training video library.